Benny's garden surprise. One sunny morning, Benny the bunny hopped outside and spotted something small near his burrow.
Ah, what's this little thing? It looks like a seed.
Benny picked up the seed and smiled. He had an idea.
Let's plant you and see what you grow into.
Benny dug a tiny hole, dropped the seed in, and gently covered it with soil.
There you go, little seed, all tucked in.
He gave the seed a cool drink of water and waited.
Ha ha ha, plants need water to grow. Drink up.
Every day, Benny came to check the spot. But still, nothing.
Maybe tomorrow, you'll come out. I'll be here.
One morning, Benny gasped. A tiny green sprout had peeked through the soil.
You did it. You're growing.
With warm sunshine and Benny's care, the little plant grew tall and strong.
You have leaves. Now, what are you turning into?
Benny pulled gently, and out came a big, orange carrot.
Wow, a carrot. Hello, lunch.
A seed needs soil, water, and sunshine to grow. It grows roots underground and leaves above. With love and care, a tiny seed becomes a plant. Click your like for the story and subscribe the channel.